हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी विद ताइना। आज की जो वीडियो होने वाली है, इट्स गोइंग टू बी ऑन द टॉपिक हाउ टू रीड अ थर्मामीटर। लेट्स बिगिन अ टॉपिक। लेट अस लर्न हाउ टू रीड अ थर्मामीटर। फर्स्ट, नोट द टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस indicated between two bigger marks, and also note the number of divisions shown by smaller marks, that is between these marks. So what are the steps? First, you have to note the temperature difference between the two bigger marks and the two smaller marks. Suppose the bigger mark, they read 1 degree and there are 5 divisions between them. So one small division, it can read 1 divided by 5, that is one bigger mark 1 degree, and then there are 5 divisions between them, so 1 by 5 is equal to 0.2 degree Celsius, 0.2 degree Celsius. Here, precautions are given to be observed while using a clinical thermometer. The thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic solution. Then, ensure that before use the mercury level, it should be below 35 degrees Celsius. Then, read the temperature keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight, that is in straight line. Handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against some hard object, it can break easily. Don't hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it. Now, wash the thermometer preferably with an antiseptic solution. Yes, we saw. Hold it firmly, give it a few jerks. The jerks, why it is necessary to bring few jerks? The jerks, they will bring the level of mercury down. Ensure that it falls below 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, now place the bulb of thermometer under your tongue. If you want to measure the temperature by this method, yes, by the help of mouth, so place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue. After 1 minute, take the thermometer out and note the reading. This is your exact body temperature. The thermometer or the temperature, it should always stated with its unit degree Celsius. The normal temperature, yes, this is very important thing, that the normal temperature of human body, it is 37 degrees Celsius. Note, temperature is always stated with its unit, that is degree Celsius. Now, this is an activity, and here, yes, we see the temperature of every person, it may not be 37 degrees Celsius, it could be slightly higher or slightly lower. Actually, what we call normal temperature is the average temperature of a large number of healthy persons. This is a clinical thermometer. The clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of human body only. The temperature of human body normally does not go below 35 degrees Celsius as well as above 42 degrees Celsius. That's why the thermometer has the range from 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. Now, here is again a caution that do not use a clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of any object other than human body. Also, avoid keeping the thermometer in sun or near the flame. It have chances to get break. Then different type of thermometer are used for different purposes. Then the maximum and minimum temperature of previous day reported in weather report. They are measured by thermometer called maximum minimum thermometer, as the temperature changes variably. That's why its name is also maximum minimum thermometer. So in this video we saw topic how to read a thermometer. In our next video we will see topic 4.3 laboratory thermometer. Then after 4.3, yes, we will see different topics like transfer of heat. Then see kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. Then woolen clothes, yes, they keep us warm in winter. So then our chapter will end. Thank you.